Hi guys, Kim here, welcome to Backyard Blooms. In today's video, we are going to talk about this Lue Bona Skylar Elevated Planter Box. I'm so excited to add this to my back porch patio. Lue Bona stands for Lead, Unique, and Elegance. They have indoor and outdoor products that are very high-end and very good quality at a very good price. So let's get this out of the box and see how gorgeous this product is.
Fix the base's plate bars G to the bottom of the base plate E. That was what E. That's why I want the carpet to be rolling this around, moving this around, and stretch it up. Backwards. Come on, let's see, I might be wrong.
So I'm so excited I found a temporary place here for Skylar, the Elevated Planter Box. Eventually I'd like to put window boxes here all along this side. I think that would be absolutely gorgeous. But I'm super excited because this is my kitchen window on the other side, and I am going to be able to enjoy these flowers growing up from inside as well. So that's one thing that you might think about when you're placing trees or hardscape like this, is to be able to enjoy them from inside as well. So I have lots of gorgeous plants right here in front of me, and my husband Paul helped me assemble this Skylar box. By the way, it was very easy to assemble. Everything came with letters like A, B, C, whatever, and the screws and everything, so everything went really well together. It is great quality. It looks like wood, but it's not wood. It's that poly something, I'll throw the word up. I'm going to use it as a container, of course, but it reminds me more of like a little garden that you'd want to grow herbs in, or if you have a little child or children that likes to garden and they want to like plant a couple of zinnias or a couple of vegetables in here, I think that would be great too. So maybe like small tomatoes or some strawberries for them to enjoy. It came with these really cute tools here as well, so it kind of reminds me of something a little child would like, but I'm sure I can be able to use these in some kind of little small project. So I want to give a big shout out to Lue Bona for sending me this product. I got to choose what product that I wanted, and since I had a gardening channel, I thought this would fit well into my channel. This is the Skylar Elevated Planter Box, and it comes in lots of different colors. It comes in white, black, brown, and green, and if you are in a coastal zone, it came in like a really pretty blue too. So I'll throw some pictures up of all the different colors for you. And I decided to fill my box up with this organic potting mix from Espoma. So this is a 2 cubic bag, and only one bag filled this container. So just to let you know, 2 cubics will fill this container right here. So another tip that I do with all my annuals, I put this premium continuous release plant food in the container here. This, when the heat hits it, will give it continuous food for up to 3 months. So I'm going to sprinkle some of this in there. I love that it comes with a shelf right here, and I found these cute little pots in King's Nursery in Rock Hill, South Carolina. It's a mossy color, and I just feel it gives like a real earthy look. Thought they were cute. So I'm gonna pot plant up and put into that as well. So I got some lovely flowers right here, and I chose this Dragon Winged Pink Begonia. It is also called Angel Wing. It can take sun to shade, and it will get 12 to 15 inches tall. Comments on the back says it's glossy green leaves and large pink blooms and very heat tolerant. Makes an impact in large containers, hanging baskets, and garden beds. So I believe I got, let's see, how many I have of these? 1, 2, 3. We got an afternoon shower, so they're a little bit droopy, I guess you should say. So I'll just kind of space these out. Got 5. So I kind of like that placement right there. And then I got some different type of begonias that have a real pretty light pink and like a yellow. Kind of reminds me of an apple blossom. These do not have tags. So I'm going to put these kind of like right up front where I'm going to hang them over this container a little bit. So they just kind of like will fall over. You don't always have to plant everything straight up and down. So I might plant one in that container down there. Put one on the side. Side over here. And then I have some black potato vine. This is a Proven Winners. It's called Proven Accents Sweet Caroline Sweetheart Jet Black. It takes full to part sun, and it gets 6 to 16 inches tall, but it will trail. Like, it will trail. It will, I'm gonna have to probably prune it. So its habits trailing. Blooms grown for foliage. It is hardy in zones 11A to 11B. By the way, I am zone 8, so it will not be hardy here for me. So that means it's just going to be an annual. I bought 3 of these. I'm going to put 2 on the edge, and then I'll put 1 in the middle, like so. And then the next plant that I bought, I thought it would give it some pop of lime green color right here, and then it kind of also plays off these plants as well. This is the lemon coral sedum. If you know me and follow me, I have lots of lemon coral sedum in my garden, and I absolutely love it. This is a perennial for us, so it does come back for us. It takes full to part sun, and it gets 3 to 10 inches tall. It is a sedum, and its habit is a mounding trailing. It is grown for its foliage also. And like I said, I am zone 8, and it's an annual except in zone 7A to 11B. So don't pull these up. They'll come back for you. So I guess I'm gonna put maybe 1 here, maybe 1 here. So what do you guys think? You like that placement? So I thought this planter was a little bit bigger, but you know me, I like to pack it full anyways and make it gorgeous. All right, so I'm gonna put my gloves on, and then we're gonna get this box planted up. Since it got rained on today, my soil's already nice and wet. So since there's a couple leaves right here that look kind of bad, I'm just going to snip them off. Look how pretty that plant is though. So pretty. I love that. And I love the foliage on it as well. So for this pot right here, I just have one of these compact blush pink impatiens, and I'm gonna throw that in there because I think it'll add some great interest. Actually, I think I'm gonna switch them. So actually this one fit in there much nicer. I like it. I never claimed to be a neat gardener here, obviously. Not exactly sure how that plant is going to do underneath there, but anyways, we'll leave it for now, and if I monitor it and I know that it's not getting enough sun, then I'll just put it somewhere else. This just cleans up nicely with a wet rag. I love it. I hope you love it as well. So let me read the features to you. It says it's high quality, will not crack, fade, or peel, not even under any weather conditions. It has additional tools, like I said, with that little shovel, rake, and then it has a fabric lining that line the bottom of this as well. It has 12 drainage hose, so you don't have to worry about overwatering this because it will drain really well. So some of the other products that they have for outdoor with great quality and great prices that you might be interested in, I'm going to name them and throw pictures up as well. So they have bar stools, they have a rocking Adirondack chair, and they have a regular Adirondack chair in 10 plus colors. They have lounge chairs with side tables. And of course I have the planter box that is 46.5 inches by 17.7 inches and 28.7 height. The material that it's made out of is polystyrene. I have no idea if I'm saying that right, but I'm going to throw the name up on the screen. And then the weight capacity for this is 200 pounds. So yeah, I can throw my body in there easily and another kid. and it claims it has minimal assembly, which I do agree with that totally. And then the care, you just clean with the damp cloth. So I really love this planter box and all the plants that I put in it. I hope they marry well, really good together. And if you are interested in this planter box or any other Lue Bona products, you can go to shopluebona.com. I'll see you in the next video. Bye, friends.